down the glen one Easter morn to City Fair O'Dye. There armed lines of marching men in squadrons passed me by. No pipe did hum, no battle drum did sound its loud tattoo, but the Angelus bell o'er the Liffey swell rang out through the foggy dew. Right proudly high over Dublin town they hung out the flag of war. 'Twas better to die 'neath an Irish sky than at Subler Sudelbar. And from the plains of Royal Meath strong men came hurrying through, while Britannia's Huns with their long-range guns sailed in through the foggy dew. Britannia bade our wild geese go, that small nations might be free. For their lonely graves are by Subler's waves, are the fringe of the great North Sea. Oh, had they died by Pearse's side, or fought with Colborough, their graves we would keep where the Fenians sleep 'neath the shroud of the foggy dew. Oh, the bravest fell, and the requiem bell rang mournfully and clear, for those who died that Easter tide in the springtime of the year. And the world did gaze with deep amaze at those fearless